Welcome to Broomfield Tai Chi Chuan. In today's video, let's learn and practice Tai Chi Walking. Let's practice and learn Tai Chi Walking. Tai Chi Walking is how you step, how you move in Tai Chi practice. We step in a slow, controlled, deliberate manner. In class, we always do stance training to practice our Tai Chi Walking, our stances. So let's learn. Let's start by stepping out into our forward stance. We begin with our weight on our right leg and our left foot prepared. I step out with my left heel and I shift my weight forward into my forward stance. Next, I shift my weight slightly back as my left toe comes out and my right foot comes up. Then I step out with my right heel. In a slow, controlled manner, I shift my weight forward. One more time, shift your weight back, toe comes out, left foot comes up, step out with the left heel, and shift your weight forward. That was Tai Chi Walking in your forward stance. Now let's walk back. To start, I bring my right foot up a half step. Then I shift my weight back to my right foot and put all my weight on my right leg as my left heel is up. So just my toe is down. Now I'm in my back stance, my cat stance. Now I bring my left foot in a half circle and out a half circle as I step back with my toe, and I shift my weight back into my back stance. I bring my right foot in, half circle, and out a half circle. Step back with the toe, and shift your weight back. Foot comes in, back, shift your weight back. Right foot in, back, and shift your weight back. In Tai Chi Walking, as you step out, each motion is slowly controlled. One of my old teachers used to call it mud walking because it's similar to walking through mud. Some people call it ice walking, like walking on ice. I like the term mud walking. So if you're in a pile of mud and you don't know how deep things are, you test. So we put our heel out and we test if we're able to step there. So because I'm controlled, I can bring my foot back. So as I go into my Tai Chi step, I don't commit until I'm sure that it's safe to step. So I come out with my heel, and when I'm ready to commit, then I shift my weight forward. I pivot the left toe out, bring the right foot up. I step out in a controlled manner and test the waters, test the mud. I can bring it back. I come out and I shift my weight forward. Again, pivot the toe out, left foot comes up, step, and shift the weight forward. Now let's walk back. Half step up, shift the weight back into your back stance. So again, in a controlled manner, I step back and I test. I'm able to bring it forward if I can. I come back, then I'm ready to commit. Then I shift my weight back. Right foot comes in, test, then I shift the weight back. Left foot in, step back, and shift the weight back. And one more. Tai Chi Walking is a fantastic exercise for stance training. Tai Chi Walking can help improve balance, coordination, and strengthen your core muscles and lower body. So let's practice a few more times. Begin with your weight on your right leg. Step out with your left heel and shift your weight forward. Weight goes slightly back, left toe comes out, right foot comes up. Step out with your right heel and shift your weight forward. And again, toe pivots out, back foot comes up, step out, shift the weight. Toe pivots out, back foot comes up, step out, and shift the weight. One more. Now let's walk back. Back foot comes up, shift the weight to your back foot. Front foot comes in, step behind you, and shift the weight back. Front foot comes in, step behind you, shift your weight back. In and back, shift your weight back. And one more, right foot comes in, step behind you, and shift your weight back. That was Tai Chi Walking. Remember, Tai Chi is a difficult art. Long-term consistent practice is key for learning Tai Chi. Watch more of my videos to learn more Tai Chi moves and give me a subscribe. Stay healthy, stay strong.